Hello everybody, it's Survival Commando here with you, and got a couple of items here. First off, it's the M59. It's what would have been then West German Bundeswehr German Army M59 Canteen and Messkit set, and it attached to the back with a clip right here onto the load-bearing belt system they would have had at the time. So you just pull this off here, and I know a lot of bushcrafters they use these. It's got kind of a little harness there that's built into it, and it just pulls right out. And now, similar to the U.S. Canteen set, you have this little kidney, little cooker there. Okay, so that's that. And then you get a metal canteen here with it. And this one, it'll have the date on it here, we'll see it. If you can see it, PSL 73. So I believe that means 1973 there. This one's in really nice shape. Sometimes you'll get these and this will be not attached there. And the gasket will be a little bit rough. I like these old aluminum canteens with a wide mouth, because if you had to, you could actually put some soup in there and put it on the fire and cook it or whatever. Can't do that with those old plastic Vietnam ones. So you have this too. And I guess you could kind of hang this over something if you need to do a little cooking. So that gets you a little bit of extra grub there going. Now you can kind of see the quality of this. It's, it's pretty good quality. Is in comparison to what we have here, it would have been the counterpart, basically the same time period. This is an East German, and you just get this little cup with it. And one thing about this, it is kind of quiet and silent. I kind of like that rubberized flocking that's on it, and the harness, and it attached to the belt. Very primitive, very much a Warsaw Pact item. And it is a little bit reminiscent of the wartime canteens in appearance, with the crisscross and all that. It's amazing how they went a different direction than the West Germans, and this has a more Western feel to it. So you will notice that it kind of has a clanky sound to it there, though. I just wanted to show you that. This is not only a great piece of militaria, but is also very, very useful in the field. Not only is it a collector's item, it's also, it'd be great for camping, military use, etc. You can put this in your pack if you want to put it on your belt. Let's see, I think it goes a different direction. If you were in the German military and used these, let me know if you liked it or not. I've not used this yet, but I've had it for a while. I intend to use it at some point and take it with me. There we go, I think that's about right. Let's see if I can get that on there. That's pretty simple, actually. It's not too bad. That's kind of neat. I like that. Tell me what you think. You can still get these. They're getting a little scarce. I don't think I paid too much for this, maybe like $15 or something. I just kind of happened to snag it at a military surplus store. But if you order them online, they're a lot of times for $49, $50, $60 maybe, depending on the condition of them. Looks pretty rugged though, so it would be a good addition to your kit. Kind of have to have something like this, really, you know, because it has this would be good for sustainment. You can cook on this. You've got all of this cookware here, plus your canteen. So I think that's a really good item. It's a whole lot better than you know, something like this as far as you know, field use. Anyway, so that's the show for today. I thought you would like that. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.